What are velar plosives? Velar plosives are plosives that are articulated by a combination of the tongue and the velar more soft palate. Plosives are consonant sounds that are produced by, first, a complete blockage or closure of the glottis or airstream preventing pulmonic egress of air from escaping through the mouth. The piled up air then bursts out forcefully, giving a form of mini explosion in their articulation, hence the name, plosives. Velar plosives are so named because of the crucial roles that the velar more soft palate plays in the process of their articulation. They are produced when the back of the tongue is made to make contact with the soft palate at the back of the mouth. The contact between the back of the tongue and the soft palate creates a complete or total obstruction of the airstream, preventing pulmonic egress of air from escaping through the mouth. To produce these sounds, you need to place a small mirror in front of you in order to monitor the movements of your tongue in the process of articulating these sounds. The soft palate is the soft part of the roof of the mouth. This part of the mouth can be located right after the hard palate, which is the hard part of the roof of the mouth. There is no clear-cut demarcation between them. The only difference is the softness of the soft palate and the hardness of the hard palate. When you raise the back of your tongue to the soft part of the roof of your mouth, the soft palate, ensuring a complete obstruction of airflow from the airstream, there will be a build-up of air behind the obstruction. This is their compression stage, followed by a forceful burst of air when the obstruction can no longer hold the egress of air, leading to the articulation of the sounds in a form of minor explosion. There are only two velar consonant sounds in the English language, namely, the ku sound, and the g sound. The ku sound is a voiceless velar plosive sound. What this implies is that this velar sound is not produced with a vibration of the vocal cords, hence it lacks prominence in its articulation. It is classified as a fortis sound because in some contexts, it is produced with an extra puff of air known as aspiration. The velar plosive, ku, can appear at word initial, word medial, and word final positions. For example, at initial positions, king, kettle, kit, keys, Kansas. At medial positions, docket, package, bonker, tracker, bracket. At final positions, back, park, tank, flake, plaque. It can be graphically represented by K, and K. For example, whack, break and plaque. The g sound is a voiced velar plosive sound. It is voiced because it is produced with the vibration of the vocal cords, which makes it prominent in articulation. Even though it is a voiced sound, there are contexts in which it is weakly produced, when there is no additional puff of air in its articulation, aspiration. In such contexts, it is classified as a leanis sound. It can occur in different positions, namely, word initial, word medial, and word final positions. For example, at the initial position, go, glisten, grave, gain, geezer. At the medial position, vegan, trigger, again, negative, agape. At final positions, mug, drug, slug, shrug, log. They are graphically represented only by G as seen in the examples above. See you soon.